Good morning, dear students. Yesterday in the lecture we have discussed about equivalent fractions. So the fractions which represent same part of a whole are equivalent fractions. Now how we will know whether the two fractions are equivalent or not? Suppose we have the fractions 2 by 5 and 8 by 20. So how to test whether these fractions are equivalent fractions or not? We will cross multiply them like this. So 20 will be multiplied with 2. 20 into 2 is 40 and 5 into 8 is 40. If the answer is same, so we will say both the fractions are equivalent. Here as the product of both the numbers is same, so we will say the fractions are equivalent fractions. Now next example I have is fractions 5 by 11 and 4 by 9. I have to check whether they are equivalent or not. So cross multiply, 9 5s are 45, 11 into 4 is 44. They are not equal, so the fractions are not equivalent fractions. Exercise 5.3, question number 1 from your book. We have 3 parts. The question is write the fractions of the shaded portion and you have to tell are these fractions equivalent. So firstly in the A part I have 2 balls. So total 2 parts are there, out of which 1 is shaded. So fraction for this A part is 1 by 2. Similarly here 2 parts are shaded out of 4, so fraction is 2 by 4. In the C part 3 parts are shaded out of 6, so my fraction is 3 by 6. Now let us check whether the fractions are equivalent or not. 1 by 2 and 2 by 4, cross multiply again. 4 into 1 4, 2 into 2 4. So both the answers are same. Yes, the fractions are equivalent. 2 by 4 and 3 by 6, again cross multiply. 6 2s are 12, 4 3s are 12. So again the fractions are equivalent. Next question number 2 is, are the following fractions equivalent? Why? 3 by 4 and 21 by 8. So again let us do the cross multiplication. 28 into 3 is 84. 4 into 21 is 84. So both the fractions have the product same. It means these fractions are equivalent fractions. Or we can have another method if I reduce the bigger fraction into the simplest form. So let us reduce it. 21 over 28 have the common table of 7. So 7 3s are 21 and 7 4s are 28. So the answer is 3 by 4, which is equal to the lowest fraction. It means both these fractions are equivalent fraction. This is the second method by which you can check it easily. Next question, C part of second question is 3 1 by 5 and 32 by 10. So firstly I have to convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 is 16 by 5. And other side we have the fraction 32 by 10. So let us simplify 32 by 10 into the simplest form. On the common table of 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 16s are 32. So the answer is 16 by 5, which is equal to the first fraction. So we will say both the fractions are equivalent fractions. Sixth question from the book is, check whether the first fraction is the simplest form of second fraction or not. So first fraction is 4 by 5 and second fraction is 28 by 35. So let us simplify this. If it comes out to be 4 by 5, then we will say yes. So 28 and 35 have the common table of 7. 7 4s are 28 and 7 5s are 35. Answer is 4 by 5. So yes, 4 by 5 is the simplest form of 28 by 35. B part is 8 by 9 and 40 by 45. 40 by 45 have the common table of 5. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. So again the answer is 8 by 9, which is equal to this first fraction. So yes, 8 by 9 is the simplest form of 40 by 45. Eighth question from the book is, Stuti has 40 toffees, Arunima has 60 toffees and Alicia has 80 toffees. After 1 week, Stuti was left with 20 toffees, Arunima with 30 and Alicia with 40. What fraction of toffees did each have after a week? Check whether each consumed equal fraction of toffees. So let us do the question. In the starting, Stuti has 40 toffees, Arunima 60 toffees and Alicia 80 toffees. Now after 1 week, Stuti has 20 toffees, Arunima 30 toffees and Alicia 40 toffees. Now we want to tell the fraction of toffees each have after a week. Now if I talk about Stuti, how much fraction she is left after the week is how we will calculate the leftover toffees divided by the total toffees that she was having in the starting. So leftover is 20 and total in the starting was 40. So 20 by 40 if you will simplify it, 20 ones are 20, 22s are 40, or you can further first simplify it on the table of 10. So answer is 1 by 2 for Stuti. For Arunima, starting 60 and left with 30. So fraction is 30 by 60, which is again equal to, you can cancel it on the table of 10, 10 3s are 30, 10 6 are 60, then 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So again 1 by 2. Alicia has total 80 toffees, out of which 40 are left. So fraction of Alicia is 40 by 80. Again you can cancel it on the table of 10. 10 4s are 40, 10 8s are 80. Further 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So what we have observed, all of them have consumed the same fraction. So yes, each of them consumed equal fraction. Your homework for today is question number 2 B part and question number 6 C part from the book. Do all the work very nicely in your notebooks and send it on time. Thank you. Have a nice day.